This is our 66 Chevy C10 Pickup. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around to the car, showing it in detail, showing all the cosmetic blemishes. Then there'll be some video clips of the interior as well as under the hood with the truck running. So we purchased the truck out of Missouri. It had been with the same owner for about the last 15 years. Truck was actually off the road for the last 5. We've put it back on the road, changed the oil, fixed some kind of wonky shifter linkage, and as it sits right now, it's actually a really nice truck. Could use a little going over. Front brakes are a little grabby at parking lot speeds, but it does run and drive quite well and certainly wouldn't take much to become a daily driver. The tires are older, those should be replaced. The front ones show a little bit of dry rot. The rear's not so much, but yes, you should replace them sooner rather than later. Paint, you can see here, there's a close-up of some checking, some blistering on both doors, just above the door handle, seems to be the spot. But we'll call it a B-level respray. You can see tape lines for the white stripe around that midline trim. The driver door, you can see that crease. The driver door gap is not great. It's better on the passenger side. Body itself is nice and straight. No significant dents or damage. The midline trim, those polished pieces, those have a couple little wrinkles. Again, nothing too significant. You can see some chips around the taillight on the driver's side. Most significant blemish on the car is on the outside of this tailgate. There is some bubbling up on the upper portion. The rest of the body is nice and dry. No other spots of bubbling, but yeah, on the tailgate it's pretty ugly. Bed's in good shape, no damage or rust in there. The glass and light lenses are all clear and crack free. Both the windshield wipers and the passenger mirror have both been removed. We do have them all in good shape, and we'll send them with the car. Again, you can see, the quarters, the fenders, everything there's no bubbling down at the bottom. It's in good shape. The passenger rocker and the paint finish isn't perfect. There's a little bit of run if you really put your face down to ground level. You can see that down there. Again, the little bit of checking just above the door handles. Front and rear bumper, really nice. Chrome pops, nice and mirror-like. Onto the interior, it's pretty bare bones. Black carpet. It shows a little bit of age. Nothing particularly stand out. The odometer is functional, reads 43 and change. Don't know what the actual chassis mileage is, but the gauges are all functional. Blaupunkt radio is not functional. The blower motor is good. No air conditioning, roll-up windows. Again, pretty bare bones. But the weather stripping's good throughout. Glass is nice and clear, no wiper streaks or cracks, nothing like that. We do have the second sun visor as well. Vinyl bench seat, silver and red. Looks really, really nice. I mean, really no punctures, no significant scuffs or anything like that. Color is really good. And then on the passenger side, again, the door is good. You can see we've just got a little bit of tape holding that weather stripping in place. But dash top, beautiful.